Oh man! All right, had a great time at the Jeopardy happy hour tonight. Got pretty damn drunk. Played Jeopardy. Hats off to Wayne. He put together literally 2 rounds of Jeopardy, and I think there was some education involved too. And the whole thing culminated in me pretty close to breaking down crying, talking about my family. So we had every emotion you can imagine during the happy hour. So the watch list for tomorrow, and thanks to everyone who came. The watch list for tomorrow, showing you the SPY here, which sold off intraday but ended up closing up back near its highs. We're still in that BTFD, buy the freaking dip market, right? So here's what I have on watch for tomorrow. SPCB. Let's start with that one. I think I typed that wrong. SSP. I told you I was drinking tonight, right? Had this crazy action and whippy for a few days, and it's starting to resolve to the upside. So this one's certainly worth watching for a long tomorrow. Hats off to Ramesh, who called this around 390 today in the chat. Ended up closing very strong. Definitely want to watch that one tomorrow. TRVG, which is super beaten up, right? I mean, look at this thing. It was 24 bucks back in July, all the way down to almost 7, and then today a nice breakout. I think this one might continue higher. We'll see. Only with a proper intraday setup, so it definitely goes on watch. Remember, I'm a day trader looking for stuff to trade tomorrow um, in cash every night. So PLUG gapped up a little bit a few sessions ago, went to 294. Today actually took that out a little bit, went to 295. I really like it over this 3-day high. Might push through 3, and then you have another catalyst above, which is over 308. And that one tends to run with this Ballard Power, which is pretty much in the process of a breakout. So I definitely want to watch PLUG. God dang, I drank too much. PLUG over this 3-day high. 296 is what I'm going to put in my notes as a potential catalyst. LBIX, quiet inside day. I don't love this, but the fact that it topped out at 2 today, if it gets through 2 tomorrow, it might squeeze, so I want to watch that one. That's really the only thing I'm looking at in that one. EVEP, kind of a little cup and handle breakout today. Decent volume for this stock. Might have a continuation tomorrow. That's a sub-dollar stock, but maybe headed to that 102 200 day. So we'll see if it gives us a setup tomorrow. ARLZ, nice volume spike today. We'll see if it continues tomorrow through the 200 day. We'll see. SPWR called a trade in this one today. Made some nice money, and you know what? It closed pretty strong. Nice volume. Might have a red to green continuation tomorrow. We'll watch it. DRNA, really strong move from under 6 to almost 8. That's a big move before settling in at 730, 723, sorry. Watch that for a red to green, something like that tomorrow. JMEI. Little extra volume today and a pretty strong close. We're going to watch that one for a continuation. It had a really strong move back here, right in this area, and then put in lower highs. You can see the 200 day kind of acting like a trend line. We'll see if that one can continue tomorrow. YUM. God, I shouldn't drink and do videos. YUMA kind of breaking out of a range today. Closing fairly strong. I'm going to watch that and see if it gives us a red to green tomorrow. NEOS had a really nice pop the other day. Then a couple red days on lower volume. Watching that one for a possible turn up. UA Under Armour was on bounce watch today. No trades in it. Goes back on bounce watch tomorrow. And then lastly, Twitter. Whoops. Another big red day down into, after the big breakout, down into what we call the buy zone between the 8 and the 20 day. We'll also add some gappers in the pre-market, and I'm going to leave it at that. Have a great night. We'll see everybody tomorrow.